Well, the question says here, the graph of F shows the book value of a vehicle X years after the time Joe bought it. The graph of G shows the cost price of a similar new vehicle X years later. Now, 7.1 says, how much did Joe pay for the vehicle? Now, Joe did pay for the vehicle for 50,000, okay? This amount, okay, the initial amount. Now, question 7.2 says, use the reducing balance N method, I think, to calculate the percentage annual rates of depreciation of the vehicle that Joe bought. All right. We are looking for, okay, when the question says calculate the percentage annual rate, so we need to find the interest here. So 7.2, we're looking for the interest using the method, using the reducing balance method. Now, so the formula will be given by the amount will be equal to okay, wanted to see amount will be equal to P open brackets 1 minus I to the power of N. Okay, so the principal is the initial amount, which is 450,000. Okay, when the question says the depreciation rate, means that the price goes down. Okay, so now I'm gonna look at the value here after 4 years, for instance. The price of the vehicle was now 243,000 and all this money, all this amount. So now I am going to substitute, okay, the A by 22, okay, what am I saying? I mean 243,736.90, okay, equal to the principal is 450,000, okay, 1 minus I to the power of 4, because after 4 years, I have that in common with that president, Uncle Jay-Z. I don't really read numbers, so I can just say 243,736.90. Now, to work out I, then we can get rid of the numbers over here. I can just divide by 450,000. 450,000, divide also by 450,000 here. And then we can use a calculator for that. Can just make 243,736.90 divide over, let's say, over 450,000, okay, and that's equal to 0.51, 0.54, okay, 0.54 equal to I 1 minus I to the power of 4. So if I need to find I can just I use the fourth roots, okay? I'll make the fourth roots over here, and then there also, because the fourth root will cancel the power of 4, and then I can use, I can just say the fourth root of this. So to do the fourth roots, where is it in the calculator here? If I don't see the fourth roots here, I can do something else. We can just use the exponent, okay? To the power of the quarter, it's that the fourth root. So I can just write 0.54, okay, close brackets, to the power of 1 over 4, to the power of 1 over 4. That's the fourth root. Okay, if you press equal, so we got like 0.80, so 0.85. So that makes 0.85. 0.85, okay, or maybe we can still use okay, if I do shift and square root here, oh, that gives me the cube root. But if I don't want that, I don't really see it. So okay, is that this one? Let's see. Shift that. Oh yes, we can do that. You press shift and then you press that X to the power button here. Okay, and I write 4 there, and then 0.54. You see, same value. That makes 0.86. Okay. If to the second decimal place is 0.86. So that's 0.86 equal to what? 1 minus I. If I move the 1 over, this will be 0.86 minus 1 equal to -1, and then 0.86, okay, minus 1, this is negative 0.14. So it's just 0.40, yes, 0.14. Okay, let's just, because it's percentage rate, I need to go to the 4th decimal place. Why? Because percentage may have also decimal. Going times by 100. Okay, I want to go to the 4th decimal place, so it's going to be 14.28. 28 equal to, that's negative I, and then therefore positive I will be 0.1428. Then therefore the rate will be 14.28%. Okay, so that's the interest rate. So you can write this or that. Thank you. Well, now we can also do question 7.3 over here. 7.3 is there. The question says, if the average rate of the price increases of the vehicle is 8.1%, calculate the value of A. All right, I can move this over. (7.3). So we're looking for the value of A. Okay, we have the diagram over here, so I prefer to repost the diagram again. I want to post the diagram over here. Okay, so get this. Now, because we're looking for, because the question says that we need to find the value of A if the average of the price increase of the vehicle is 8.1% per annum. So so we know that A is given by A equal to, then the price, I mean the principal equal to open bracket 1 plus I now, because this is not the depreciation, this is the increase. Okay, and then we're looking at the other function, the G function, then, because this is where the increase is. Okay, now we can find A by A. We can find A is G of X. Okay, A is the same as G of X. It's G of X. I mean, it's G of X when X is equal to 4. To be precise, it's G of 4. Okay, so we can write G of 4, knowing that this is A, or I can say A equal to G of 4. This will be equal to 450,000. Okay, open bracket 1 plus I, the interest, which is now 0.81, all to the power of 4. Okay, then let's use a calculator. Let's say 450,000. Okay, open bracket 1 plus 8.1 is 0.081. I meant to say, okay, 0.081 over here. 0.081. 0.081 to the power of 4. Okay, close bracket, all to the power of 4. To the power of 4. All right, now if we press equal, and then it gives us the values, which is 61, 44, 90. So therefore, A equal to 61, 44, 90.66. So that's the value of A. Okay. Now, question 7.4. What this question says, I'm going to move my code over here. Okay, so we're going to do question 7.4 in the next video. Thank you.